Hi, if your Windows 10 was updated, but it breaks something in the system, you can return everything back. How to do it? Let's take a look at a few options. Subscribe to our channel to have useful tips for your computer and write in the comments how you feel about Windows updates. If you had a large or important system update and 10 days have not passed, then you can roll back to the previous version using a special button. Go to Start, Settings, Update and Security. On the left there is a Recovery tab. Here will be a button for 10 days. Go back to the previous version of Windows. Press Get Started. Indicate the reason why you didn't like the new version. Then refuse from updates and click Next. The system warns that all changes made on the computer after the update will be deleted. These are the programs that you installed and the system settings. Once again Next and click to start. It will take some time and as a result everything will come back. If you go to the Windows Update section, view the update history. Click Uninstall Updates. Then it becomes possible to remove some small updates, mainly security updates and some fixes. But if you start having problems due to a small update, this is also a solution. Installation dates are shown on the right for guidance. Just click and the deletion begins. Another option for rolling back the system to the state it was before the update is to use Restore Points. In the Start, write words Settings System and click here System Control Panel. Choose Advanced System Settings. System Protection tab. As it is written here, with the help of this function we can restore the state of the computer settings to the restore point. Click the System Restore button, Next, and here is the list of restore points. My last fixed point was on September 19 at 20 p.m. It was some kind of change in the settings. If we click on the check mark below, another point appears, Critical System Update. If you select this point, click Next and continue the recovery, then the system will return to the state it was before this important update. But what if, after updating, Windows began to fail so much that it doesn't even turn on? In this case, we need an installation flash drive, on which Windows 10 is. Start from it. How to burn such USB flash drive and how to boot from it, watch these videos. Links in the description. Click Next and then System Restore. Choose Troubleshooting. System Recovery. These are the same restore points. After that, you will need to select your Windows, enter the password and choose the desired point. Now you know exactly how to undo uninstalled Windows Update. In general, we have a lot of useful things on our channel. Go to the video section and look through. And like this video and write how you feel about updates. See you on the air!